Page 188, this is Sonatina in C major, a little piece of it at the bottom of the page. In this reading exercise, we get in triplets. We're back to doing our triple and duple time counting. I wish they'd do a lot more of that because you're going to get it, and the more you practice it, the better you get, I guess. I don't know. However, you try and sight read it if you can, but I'm going to go through the process I use. I look it over, it's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. We're either in the key of C major or A minor. If you look at the end, getting on C's, I'm guessing C major. As you get into it and you play it, you'll be able to hear the harmony. You can tell if it's major or minor. And 2/4 time signature. Right hand first, I want a fingering that works here. So it's here. 1 and 2, 2 and 2. And then I got to immediately go from 2 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. You got to switch back and forth. Second measure, 1 and 2, 1. So I get the rhythm and the notes there working out. The fingering's fine in the book. That works. There's other fingerings, but this works. That's fine. Left hand, well, it's a half note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then they want thumb again. I don't think so. That is, in my opinion, a poor fingering. That's a beginner fingering where you got to stay in a 5-finger position. No, this is not exactly beginner music here. So I don't want to thumb here. I'm here. Now I'm going to go down here. I can catch all those notes in one hand position for measures 3, 4, and 5, all of them in one hand position. All I got to do is stretch out. And that's what I'm recommending you do. So measure 3 is here, and then reach down. Then you can collapse. So I can connect all those notes. I do not like using the thumb like that. Frankly, I'm surprised they suggested it. Then I'll put the hands together here. See, I've already got my left hand hip ready to go because I know I can see it's coming. I'm ready to go. Put together, and then I go back over it and get rid of the hesitations. Then I'll add in the articulation, and here they don't really give any. You get slurs. They don't give any phrasing. If there's phrasing, if you can figure out what it is, it looks like each line is a phrase. The problem is they're connected. They're alighted phrases. One phrase connects to another one, so it sounds like it's all connected. So here. Because measure 4, measure 5 was started again with a new phrase, but this leads into it. So I want to connect it. So I'm going to connect this pretty much all the way through. The left hand, you can experiment. If you want to you lift up, of course with their fingering you have to. You can do that anyway. Because I can, when I have large leaps like this or distances, you can separate them slightly, not short, just separate them if you want. It's interpretation. So in the second line, it's so I'm separating this and connecting that. There's different ways of interpreting it because the music doesn't say anything. Of course, back when this was written, I'm sure, in the 1700s, they usually didn't put the dynamics and articulation in the music. It was up to you, the performer, to decide how you wanted to do it based on the training you've had. Now, for the dynamics, though, this is loud. You're just heavy, not really loud, just loud. This, and keep it down. Okay. And then the speed. I'll feel 1, 2, the triplets and eighth notes, I want to slow it down a little bit, but not too much. 1, 2, 1, 2. They do give you a diminuendo toward the end where you can start coming down a little bit. Maybe down to a moderately soft, moderately loud. Doesn't say how much, just come down. Feel it. Natural accent. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, There's a note under this to transpose it to D major. So we're going to go from C major up one step to D major. D major has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp, so those are the notes we're going to play. So the notes in the music, I'm just going to take them all up one note. So instead of a C, it's a D. And if I happen to run across a C or an F, I'm going to play them as sharps. So it's here. Because of the black keys getting involved here, I'm changing the fingering at the end. I don't want to go here. Here. So I do here and then 4, 2. 4, 2, 3 to end it because of the black key. Yeah. Left hand, same thing. Instead of a C, it's a D. And then a C sharp. And an A. And then reach down. It's a here. Up here, G, each, instead of an F, it's a G, instead of a D, it's an E, A. So I just take all the notes up, one note in the staff, and you get that. Somewhere like that, I hesitate a little bit here and there because I'm doing this at sight, more or less. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 2 counts. Ready, go, and 1, and